If you are like a lot of people, having a hard time imagining the universe, something that you can see and touch, something that a lot of people are talking about, but you feel that something greater than you is out there making things happen, it could be quite challenging for you to trust something that you don't see. This is why it's a good idea for you to imagine something else instead of the universe. Some other term like your inner being or your higher self, which could work just as well. Your job is not to create, is to desire, is to imagine it, and then feel good about it and allow it and align with it. This is all you have to do. The universe will take care of the rest of it. The moment you begin to think how it's going to happen, you add resistance to the vibration. To make things easier for you, let's say that from today you have a personal assistant called your inner being. Now the job of this personal assistant is to make things happen for you. You can sit back and relax and have a good time and allow your desire to come because your inner being is taking care of the rest of the job. You don't have to worry anymore about how it's going to come, what's going to happen, when it's going to happen. Your inner being does all the job for you. If you are in alignment with your desire, then you will receive impulses to act in the favor of receiving your desire. When you receive these impulses while you are feeling good, then it is a good idea to act. So basically what's going on is that your inner being is trying to send you signs for you to take action in the direction of your desire. You will be able to recognize these signs because these impulses come in a moment when you feel good. And you can be sure that these are signs sent to you by your inner being. Your goal is to feel good inside. I suggest that you meditate, you take some time off, you have a good time. If you understand that in our universe, like attracts like, then you will surely understand that if you feel abundance, you will attract abundance. If you feel prosperity, you will attract prosperity. So if you want to attract abundance, you must feel like abundant right now. How can you feel like abundant? Think about all the things that you already have. You must have, it doesn't matter the topic. It doesn't have to be abundance of money. It could be abundance of time. Think about how much time you have, or think about the good times you have. It's an abundance of good times. Think about all the abundance that you have in your life, and you will attract abundance. You will attract abundance of money, abundance of happiness, abundance of friends. So think about what you have right now and magnify it. If you magnify abundance, then you will receive abundance in all areas of your life. It's not only your desire that will come, but a bunch of things that are a lot better than your desire will come to you. You desiring new things, it's a never-ending process. You will always have a new desire. Think about it. Every time a desire comes true, then there is another and another one and another one. This is something, it will never end. You think that you want a particular thing in order for you to be happy. You think at the moment you will receive it, you will be happier than you are right now. Okay, so let's say you've received what you desire. Now what next? You need something else in order for you to be happy. You always imagine that when you get the money, or you get the dream house, or you get your favorite car, then is when you will be happy. While if you go the other way around and get happy first, not only that your desire will manifest, but also those wonderful things that you have never dreamed of will flow into your experience. If you are happy now, in this moment, then you have it all. Everything, and I mean everything, can come to you, and you will be able to receive more and more wonderful things. Law of attraction will constantly work on your behalf, and you must not attach yourself to one particular desire that you have right now. Be open to opportunities and circumstances, because the universe is going to give you things, wonderful things that are so much better than what you want right now. Don't try to make it happen. Don't try to control circumstances, situations. Let the universe do the job for you. Let the solutions come to you. You have to allow this to happen in your life. Fix your own alignment and let the rest come to you. And you will be inspired to act at the right time. Your inner being is constantly guiding you. You must hear that voice that tells you this feels good, this doesn't feel good. This is your guidance. Go and follow it. Hand your desire to the universe and go by feel. Trust your feelings. They are guiding you to your desire. Feeling that nothing can stop you to do a particular action, then you should do it. Because while it feels good, you can be sure that is a sign, is something sent by your inner being. That is your inner being showing you the path to your desire. Go and follow it. But how can you hear the voice of your inner being? You need to slow down, get quiet, so you can hear that voice. Hear the call of your inner being, because it never stops calling you. If you can't hear it, it's because you have too much resistance. You worry too much. You doubt too much. You look at what others do. You listen to what others have to say. Quiet down and work on your relationship with your inner being. That voice is the only one you need, the only voice you want to follow, and your life will transform to the dream life you have never dreamed of. You will allow not only this desire that you have right now, but also any asking that you have ever done in your life. It will come slowly in your experience. The universe, source, your inner being is on your side, helping you, wanting you to manifest every little desire. You are worthy. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button for further notifications. This way you won't miss any of my next videos.